Assalamu alaikum. Let's draw a colorful handbag, perfect for the kids. Draw a big box. Make the bottom a little round, like a white flower pot, like this. Add two bumps on top. These are the handles. Put little hearts on the bumps. Draw two round eyes, a tiny dot for the nose. Add some little lines. A happy face. Time to color. Yellow color for the nose, and we use red color for the hearts, like this. Let's color the main part of the bag with different colors like pink, red, orange, blue, purple, green. Make it super bright. We use parrot color here. Then we use sky blue color. You are doing very well. Then we use red color. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use brown color. A very nice color. Our colorful bag is almost ready. Very good. Green color. For the second last, we use yellow color. And for the last one, we use blue color. Then we use black color for our handles. We use pink color for this section. Your colorful bag is ready. Allah Hafiz.